Some major updates on the COVID-19 front. Pfizer says its COVID-19 vaccine works for children ages 5 to 11 and that it will seek U.S. emergency authorization for this age group very soon.
We also have an update on booster shots and travel restrictions. A lot to talk about here. Fox 61's Angelo Bavaro joins us now to talk about that. He's live outside Yale New Haven Hospital. Good morning.
Good morning, guys, and we are talking about a whole lot of developments here, and that is why officials here at Yale New Haven Health will be doing a press conference a little later today to discuss any questions from the media. Of course, you just mentioned this, but one of the big headlines this morning is making this vaccine available to those younger kids, and Pfizer says the goal is to make their shots available to kids 5 to 11 by Halloween. So in just about a month at this point, your kid could be rolling up his or her sleeve. With kids back in the classroom and COVID still spreading, many parents around Connecticut share the same hope.
I'm hoping that the FDA approves the vaccinations for the kiddos and that we can, continue to move forward.
That hope now one step closer to reality. Pfizer says its COVID-19 vaccine works for kids ages 5 to 11, and the plan now is to apply to the FDA by the end of this month for emergency use in that age group.
The side effects are very, very minimal. We are also in children using 1/3 of the dose that we use in adults. So in adults, we give 0.3. In a syringe, we're giving 0.1. It's like almost a drop. It's 0.1 mLs, 1/10 of an ml for the children ages 5 through 11. It has been shown to have a very, very good immune response.
Speaking of getting more shots into more arms, the National Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices is set to meet this week to offer guidance for the rollout of Pfizer booster shots. Last week, the FDA shot down Pfizer's request to approve a booster shot for patients 16 and older 6 months after their second dose.
What they came up with was patients who are 65 years of age or older and patients who are at high risk of developing severe COVID. So that is what the FDA approved, and that is what the ACIP committee, when they meet this Wednesday and Thursday, will review.
And as for Moderna and Johnson & Johnson,
we expect to hear more about the Moderna and the J&J vaccine in the coming weeks as they provide data to the FDA as well.
Hartford Healthcare did receive authorization about a month ago to distribute booster doses of both Pfizer and Moderna to people who are immunocompromised, which remains in effect. About 2,500 boosters have been given so far through the health system's offices and clinics. And talking about some more COVID updates here, we've also got an update on air travel, those restrictions and bans. That White House now saying that any international travelers coming into the country starting in early November, if they're fully vaccinated, they will be allowed in, but they also have to show proof of a negative COVID test. We're live in New Haven this morning. I'm Angelo Bavaro, Fox 61 News.